Welcome to Vacay Mode Travels. We are a boutique travel agency that specializes in booking unforgettable vacations for busy professionals and travel enthusiasts. We are here today to do an exclusive tour of the Arizona Biltmore in Phoenix, Arizona. The Arizona Biltmore was built in 1929 and is located in central Phoenix. It is a 4-star resort, although in my experience it was much closer to a 5-star resort. The service was impeccable and there was always somebody available to help us if we needed it. The Arizona Biltmore has great architecture and was designed by Albert MacArthur, whose professor in school was Frank Lloyd Wright. When we stayed at the Arizona Biltmore, we stayed on the second floor in the main building. We had a courtyard view. The room had everything we would have wanted. It was very clean, had historical pieces on the wall, had all of the essentials, mini fridge, toiletries, had a king-size comfortable bed, and had a view overlooking the courtyard. The lobby segues into a side bar and lounge. In the 1950s, this was one of Clark Gable and Frank Sinatra's favorite spots. And in the 1930s at this bar is where the Tequila Sunrise was invented. Stay tuned to the end of this video to get that recipe. Outside of the lounge, there was 2 restaurants at the Arizona Biltmore, one of them being Renata's, which is known for its Mexican flair. Unfortunately, we were not able to eat here because it did require a reservation. We were able to eat at MacArthur's, which also had really great dining, drinks, and desserts. They even made my husband a really nice cheesecake for his birthday. The Arizona Biltmore also has a gift shop where you can get any necessities. On the first floor, you can find the Gold Room, which has the second largest amount of gold leaf compared to the Taj Mahal. Around the corner from Clark Gable's favorite room, 1201, you have the Mystery Room. It was a large, intimate room that was intended for exclusive clients. They would meet there after dinner to enjoy a cocktail and a cigar. Rumor has it the bookshelf would rotate 180 degrees when the police would arrive during the Prohibition era. Around the corner, we have the History Room with tons of historical pictures and artifacts from over the years. A really cool fact about the Arizona Biltmore is that every president, with the exception of the last 2 since 1929, has visited here. Walking out of the lounge into the courtyard, you have plenty of outdoor seating surrounded by beautiful water fountains, fire pits. There's a cafe with gelato and lots of little shops, where my husband got especially mad at me for buying a really overpriced kimono, ladies. As you walk past the shops, you're going to have beautiful walkways with palm trees and pretty views that lead you directly to the adult-only pool. The adult-only pool does also offer food and beverage directly poolside, which was a really nice feature in addition to being able to rent out cabanas. If you're visiting with a family, there is also a family pool that has poolside food and drinks, water slides, and plenty of activities to keep the little ones entertained, in addition to a live DJ on the weekends. If you're looking for a quieter pool, the Catalina Pool is one of the Biltmore's best known pools, and the reason why is it was Marilyn Monroe's favorite pool. Around the corner from the Catalina Pool was a luxury spa and a high-end gym. This gym was fully loaded with all the equipment you would need and on-site staff. Evenings walking around the Biltmore were really nice. The place is well lighted, a lot of amazing views, very relaxing, activities and entertainment for all ages. We really enjoyed our time at the Arizona Biltmore. The service was absolutely impeccable. We had a staff member give us a private tour around the entire resort. We were overall very impressed by the customer service at the Arizona Biltmore and would highly recommend it. We hope you choose Vacay Mode Travels for your travel needs, and we look forward to seeing you next time.